All creation stems from a single origin.
Over the past year, millions of creators have discovered the joy of AI-powered 3D creation with Hi3D. From a single prompt to a 3D model, from an idea to a real-world object, Hi3D is redefining the way people create and manufacture in 3D. Introducing the new Hi3D, the all-in-one AI 3D maker platform built for real 3D printing. Generate high-quality 3D models in just 2 minutes. Automatic mesh repair, intelligent model splitting, joint generation, smart print layout optimization. From modeling to printing, boost productivity by up to 90%. Hi3D's first anniversary sale is now live, up to 80% off for a limited time. One more thing, Hi3D 3.0 is coming, featuring the industry's first 2483 ultra-high precision AI 3D model generation. Higher precision, richer details, closer than ever to real-world manufacturing. Hi3D 3.0, coming soon.